do this to avoid payroll tax. So what is payroll tax? It's tax that every state government collects simply because you employ, as a business, people in your state you operate. Okay, so each state has its own thresholds and rates. In New South Wales, if your gross wages plus super exceed $1.2 million, every dollar over that amount, you're hit with 5.54% payroll tax. So it's a bit of a joke, right? Earlier today, I saw this post from a well-known finance influencer who, mind you, isn't an accountant or a tax agent, and they suggested that business owners just pay themselves a dividend instead of wages because you won't need to pay any payroll tax, super, or any workers' comp. Now, you know what? If you weren't an accountant and you weren't like me, qualified, you'd be looking at it going, yeah, sure, this sounds really clever. Why did my accountant say this? This is great. Well, it's partially correct, but you could land yourself in red hot trouble. And here's why it doesn't work. Under the ATO, under PCG 2021/4, the ATO expects that every business owner pays themselves a commercial wage. The second thing is, you could be penalised for not paying super and wages that you should have processed. Number 3, New South Wales law, basically dividends paid to working directors can be reclassified as wages, which means that whole strategy goes out the window, meaning you're going to start paying payroll tax on that and you're going to be liable for workers' comp still. Number 4, banks generally exclude dividend income when assessing you for your loan finance. So you're going to be making it harder to get finance. And number 5, income protection. Usually this is based on your gross wage, and possibly dividends could leave you fighting the insurer. And let's face it, we all know the insurers, they don't like paying out money, right? So it could leave you in hot trouble. So what is the smart approach? Let's pay yourself through payroll, at least at a level that passes the smell test. Use a rational number that reflects your role and what you're doing, and then pay the additional profits out as dividends to manage your overall tax and save tax, just not payroll tax, but other taxes and everything there. Well, guys, easy tip, take it on board.